Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So we have been waiting for the upcoming Google latest smartphone. We have waited for the Google Pixel 4a, but this phone is delayed several times, and now alleged render of the Google Pixel 5 leak that remains it of the Pixel 4. Welcome to what could very well be the first look at the Google Pixel 5. The render below are based off a CAD schematics and show what Google's upcoming compact Pixel 5 could look like. From the rear, Pixel 5 looks very much like the Google Pixel 4 with a dual camera setup. However, the Pixel 5 has also a capacitive fingerprint scanner, something the Pixel 4 drop it in a favor of face recognitions. The front of the Google Pixel 5, as you can see on this picture and render short video, feature a single selfie camera embedded into the display via a punch hole. Based on the CAD data, the Pixel 5 will measure 144.6 by 70.4 by 8 millimeter, slightly shorter and narrower than the last year launched Google Pixel 4. Back in February, we saw the first purported render of the upcoming Google Pixel 5 XL, which featured a triple camera on the rear. If the render of the Google Pixel 5 prove correct, then we could be looking at different camera specs for the different upcoming Google Pixel 5 models. A move away from the room, the Google is yet to unveil the mid-ranger Google Pixel 4a, and I make a lots of video on that Google Pixel 4a, which has been delayed since May. That phone is expected any moment now, while the upcoming Google Pixel 5s should arrive in October or even November. However, some source point to an October unveil for the Google Pixel 4a, which would push an eventual Pixel 5 unveil even further back. We knew very little about the Google Pixel 5. The strongest rumor we have had so far of the point, the Google Pixel 5 using the Snapdragon 765 instead a full on a flagship Snapdragon 865 chipset. By the way, this leaks is coming from the Pic2 website, with collaborate with the David Kulaski, who tweet about the upcoming Google Pixel 5 that say not the design everyone was expecting, but still the first look of the Google upcoming Pixel 5 based on the CAD leaked drawing plus 4K video plus dimension. Enjoy guys. So thanks to my partner at the Pic2. PS, this is not a cancelled Google Pixel 4a XL. So he is tweet about the upcoming Google Pixel 5, and let's see guys in the upcoming days what Google, because Google does not officially say anything about the upcoming Google Pixel 5. Let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video guys and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.